The Motorola Razr 60 Ultra is a powerful, AI-enhanced flip phone with a stunning 7.0 165Hz internal display and a 4.0 external display. It boasts a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a versatile 50MP triple camera system, and rapid 68W wired charging. Sale starts on 21st May. 2. Ultimate performance with next-gen Alpha IOTA. 2.7 mN plus and 2.2 vertical bar. On-device L. 16GB LPDDR5X RAM plus 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. Snapdragon 3. World's most advanced 3x50MP flip camera system. Validated by Pantone trademark symbol 50MP plus main camera. Ultra-wide and macro cam. 50MP front camera. 4. Razor sharp and crystal clear. Moto AI. AI action shot. Keep your shots smooth and steady. AI signature style. Auto-tune colors. Contrast and lighting. AI adaptive stabilization. Stabilize moving objects. Razr. AI group shot. Keeps everyone in focus. 5. Flex your imagination. Camcorder mode. Shoot cinematic video. Like a pro. Laptop mode. Take charge of your own photos. 6. Ultimate style meets iconic design. World's first smartphone crafted with Alcantara and wood finish asterisk. Pantone. Mountain Trail FSC certified wood finish. Pantone Scarab. Alcantara finish. Razr. Pantone trademark symbol. Rio Red. Premium leather finish. 7. Look and talk with Moto AI. Glance at your phone to start a conversation. 9. Elevating every interaction. Dedicated Moto AI key. 10. Smartest AI assistant ever. Next move. Right suggestions at the right time. 11. AI Image Studio. Express yourself your way with Moto AI. Create an image. Art from imagination. Just prompt it. Generate wallpapers from your sketch the image. Turn sketches into colorful images. Create your digital avatar. Create your own sticker. 12. Soundtrack your mood AI playlist studio. Moto AI will generate the perfect playlist that fits your mood, activity, or vibe. 13. Supercharge your ideas with Google Gemini. 14. Effortless editing with Google Photos. Circle it. Search it. All it takes is a circle to find what you are looking for. AI Magic Eraser. Tap away distractions like they were never there. AI Magic Editor enhance your photos like never before. 15. World's most intelligent and interactive external display. Access almost everything with your phone closed. World's only. 4. LTPO 165Hz. World's first. Corning registered trademark symbol Gorilla registered trademark symbol ceramic glass. 3000 nits. Peak brightness. 16. World's largest and most vibrant flip phone screen. 4500 nits. 7.0 OLED Super HD display. HDR10 plus brighter and true-to-life colors. 120% DCI. P360% wider color gamut than NTSC. World's first Pantone trademark symbol validated flip phone. 17. Toughest flip phone ever. Tested up to 800K flips. IP48 protection. Redesigned titanium hinge. Way more durable, way less creasing. 18. World's fastest charging flip phone. Get power for the day in just 8 minutes or charge fully in 40 minutes. Battery 4700W. Turbo power trademark symbol charging 68W. Wireless charging 30W. Reverse charging 5W. 19. Smart Connect 2.0 with Moto AI 2.0. Effortlessly connect and transfer phone app to other devices. 20. Flip into the future. Hello all based on Android 15. 3 years of OS upgrades plus 4 years of SMR updates. 20. Secure 3.0 secures every click and tap. Family Space 3.0. Safer sharing with kids and guests. Razr. Moto Unplugged. Moto Unplugged disconnect and unwind. Moto Gestures. Twist to open camera. 21. Easy migration. From iOS registered trademark symbol to Motorola. 22. Here's a summary of the pricing details. MRP 1,09,000 rupees. Launch price 99,999 rupees for the 16 GB plus 512 GB variant. Launch offer price 89,999 rupees for customers using select bank cards. EMI options. No-cost EMI options are available, starting at 7,500 rupee per month for up to 12 months. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.